You're gonna take your head off.
Considering they just watched Happy Tree Friends.
Oh yeah, huh?
Do you still want those? Because you know what we should do? We should get a bunch of them. Are there any places open that can sell them? Dude, we should buy a bunch of them and break them all, and like throw them all over each other, and like get in a dark room and dance around in the video camera.
Those are LED ones. There's no liquid.
Spiders! Martian spiders!
Is that the thread the needle?
This is 5 feet here.
Oh, okay.
What's it called?
5 beat.
That's cool.
Here, just go over my shoulder.
Damn it, quit messing up. It's cool when you don't mess up.
Okay, that makes sense. That one.
Kind of cool that you're going like this.
Then body heat.
Oh yeah, that's real cool. Make it do something cool.
I'm a cold-blooded person.
Can you go out of that into the full?
I'm gonna bite. That's really pretty though. Look at. Thank you.
Is this recording everybody's stupid commentary too?
I also do video editing. There will be no sound, so whatever you say. I do that because Josh likes to swear when he hits himself.
Put like some cool techno beat in the background.
Oh god!
I think that's the idea.
Oh wow.
Yeah, but
I think
Oh,
you
so now you want to be my
Oh,
boyfriend?
sorry.
Good effort though.
What?
So what's the purpose?